Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you this Shindaiwa Hedge Trimmer I'm working on. It's a single-sided hedge trimmer. It's about 2.5 feet long, maybe 26, 28 inches. I don't think it's 30 inches. Anyway, I kind of got ahead of myself. I wanted to do a video of this thing from start to finish, but I kind of got into it and forgot to start filming. So I stop right now and just do a brief explanation of what I've done so far. I picked this up at a yard sale. I think I paid $20 for it, and I popped the cap and could smell rotten gas. So I took it home, put it away, and had a little time today. So I thought I'd pull this thing out and give it a little service work. So where to start? I dumped out the tank. It was very milky, murky fuel that came out, and it smelled rotten. So I removed the tank with these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and found that the fuel lines were rotten. This was the line inside the tank. There was a fuel filter attached to the end of it, but it went missing when I pulled it out, fell on the floor. And then there was a grommet with 3 holes in it, and you had your pickup hose, your return hose, and a grommet with 2 holes, pickup hose and your return hose. So I cut this off the bottom of the grommet and passed a new piece of fuel line. You can see here, got 3 or 4 different sizes of fuel line. Passed it through the grommet. I don't know if you can see that. There's the grommet there, and there's 1 piece of fuel line to pick up, and this is the return line. So I passed it through, maintained the seal, and inside you can just see it. There's a fuel filter, a brand new fuel filter, similar to the one that was on the end there. And I happen to have a used carburetor off of another machine that had been run straight fuel and was scored up, so the machine was garbage, but the carburetor was still good. I haven't even taken this carburetor apart. This is the one that was on the hedge trimmer when I picked it up, but based on the smell and look of the fuel and the look of these fuel lines, the carburetor kit in here is probably toast. So used carburetor right there. That's about all I've done so far. I'm going to now connect up these fuel lines and see if the thing will prime, and if it'll prime, I will see if I can get it to start. That's about it so far. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just threw this back together. It's got some fresh fuel in there, a couple of new fuel lines, the grommet I was showing you, and a used carburetor. That's about all I've done to this thing. So we're gonna try and start it. I wanted to include you in this. Sorry the video's so short and quick. I really didn't plan on filming it, but then I thought, hey, what a good opportunity to make a video about a hedge trimmer. So I don't have my little tripod with me today. I left it at home. So I'm going to do my best to try and start this thing one-handedly. It thankfully has a throttle lock on it. So I'm going to prime it. And that's our choke. So I'm going to choke it. And this might be a little tricky, but I'm going to see if I can get this thing going with one hand. Put my foot on it there. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh! Oh, she runs fantastic. What a deal. I think these things new are close to $400. I'll easily be able to sell this for $200, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna clean it up, set the carb up just a little bit. You can hear it's idling a little bit fast. I might even give these blades a quick little sharpen. I'll show you how you do that. And on to Craigslist she goes.